What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. So you've been following my channel for a while. You know, I just recently did something here that actually went viral on YouTube, had over 100,000 views on it, and I added black pieces here to help take care of that. It's from a company called RTG, and I just picked up some puddle lights from them. My truck had plain, it's a high country, but it came with plain puddle lights, and this is going to show the high country logo on it. It's a super easy install. So there's not much to the open box. We can get it opened up. Well, that's awesome. They sent me a keychain that says high country on it as well. Very, very cool. So here's what the box looks like. Nice quality box. And here they are. Let's pull it out. Even sent a little tool to do the work for us. Yeah, so basically this here shows you how you have to remove the other one. We're going to pry on this with probably that tool there, and then just install the new ones. So let's get started with that now. Alright, then up here you're going to see go. So it's really not hard, and then this just pulls out. Just like so. Alright. Grab the replacement. Okay, so one other thing I wanted to show you, if you can see closely, each one of these are labeled R or L for each side. So go ahead and plug these in. Like so, tuck it up in there. And there you go. That's how simple it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this side with it installed just like so. And then I'm going to take my other side and I'm going to leave it factory because I want to be able to compare the two lights and show you guys the difference. Meanwhile, I've got plenty of other projects I'm going to work on for more videos. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so because I got plenty of things. Here's an example of things I'm going to be working on in the next few weeks on the truck. Alright, so getting kind of dark out. So let's start with the driver's side where I have not changed the light out. This is factory puddle light. And that's what you get. Not much at all. Okay, let's go down the other side where I got lights shining over here, but that's what it changes out to. Comes out of that right there. Pretty cool. Wow. Yeah.
You know I'm a dreamer, but my heart's of gold. I had to run away high, so I wouldn't come home low. Just when things went right, it doesn't mean they were always wrong. Just take this song, and you'll never be left all alone. Take me to your heart, fill me in your
Let's wrap it up, gang. Hope this was helpful to you. Again, I'll drop a link down below. Not sponsored by RTG, but this does come from a company called RTG Offroad. And again, the link is down below in the description. If you have any questions, hit me up.